Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. I hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing easy everyday summer makeup and outfit. I back on the camera, I did my brows, and the eyeshadow palette I'll be using today, it's by Juvia's Place. I did the unboxing of this with some other good stuff. I don't know if that video is up already. I think it should be up before this, or this is going to be up before that. Anyway, let me jump right into this video. Please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Alright, without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into the. I already prepped my eyelid with this primer by Urban Decay. First of all, with this one called Cano. That is what I will use to do my transition color. So I'll just go ahead and blend the upper part of it. Now I'm going to come in with the one that says Mino, this one right here. I'll be using that to kind of form like a V shape, like a little bit smoky at the outer part of my eyelid, but not too strong. I'll go ahead and blend the upper part of it so I don't have harsh line. So this is how my eyelids are looking so far. So I'll go ahead and clean the outer part of my eyelid to get that V shape that I'm going for. So now we're going to come in with the last eyeshadow, and the one I'll be coming in, it's called Amina. Right here. Amina. Okay. So I'll be coming in with that. Amina has a little bit of fallout, but I think it's best to wet the brush to use this kind of eyeshadow. With this eyeshadow, I think the more you want it to pop, the more you add more to it. That's what I noticed. You add more as if you want it to pop out, and if you want it soft, then you don't need to add more and more. Go ahead and blend this place that they met, just to kind of, you know, marry them together. The same brush that I used to apply the Mino, the dark brown. It's not black, it's dark brown. So for this look, I am not going to be using liquid eyeliner, but I'm going to pop in false lashes. And the false lashes that I'll be using today, it's by Delia's Empire. Okay, she's a YouTuber as well. She's amazing, she's gorgeous, she's very talented. You all need to check out her channel, Delia's Empire. Also, please follow on Instagram and support her business as well. If you don't wear lashes every day, you just go in with mascara. This is my own brand of mascara, and that's what I'm going to be using to prep my eyelid, my lashes, my natural lashes. So now I'm done popping in the first lashes, and I'm still going to do something to the eye, but at this junction I'm going to have to be, you know, make this video go as fast as I can because I don't want it to be too long. So for summer makeup and foundation, I would recommend you use a foundation that adds sunscreen. If it doesn't have sunscreen, then please use sunscreen before that. In my own skincare, I have the moisturizer that I use already have sunscreen, and the foundation I'll be using today doesn't have sunscreen, so which means my moisturizer is covering for me. All right, please make sure you use sunscreen It's very important. And again, make sure you use something that will control the oil on your face if you happen to be in the oily side of the skin, okay, or you have combination skin. That's what I meant to say. So I do have combination skin on my T-zone. That's where I do have oil. So I already applied this primer by NYX. So guys, to highlight, I'm going to be using this concealer by NARS. It's one of the ones I unboxed too, and I said a lot. I've heard good stuff about this, that it doesn't crease. That's the reason why I purchased it, because this part of my eye normally crease before I know it. So I'm going to be setting my under eye with this Laura Mercier powder. This shade is translucent powder, and this is medium deep. So I went ahead and contour with this Super Stay powder by Maybelline. That is what I used to contour. I didn't want to waste a lot of time, so I did that off the camera. You all can see right here, and the usual place we normally contour. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly finish off my under eye. Then, you know, about to wrap up this game, alright? So I'm going to be using this Jumbo pencil by Estee Lauder to line my inner eye rim. Like so. Then I will come in with a tip pencil brush to smudge it out with a brown eyeshadow that I used on my eyelid, the one that is called Mino. That's what I'll be using to smudge it out. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and off the camera, I'm going to go ahead and blend all this out. Then I'm going to be back, and we'll wrap up this tutorial. I want to blend it off the camera so as not to waste time, okay? So I'm going to be right back. Now I'm going to be coming in with this blush by Marc Jacobs. That's what I'll be using today, and this is their airbrush. This is 508 Night Fever and Hot Stuff. So I'll go ahead and pop that on my cheekbone. Then I will come in with my highlighter, of course. This is the one I've been using lately. Like, I left it on my table. I didn't bring out another one. They Born to Glow. I just love the way, you know, I just love what it gives me, you know. So I can't resist it. Then I'm going to set my entire face with this NYX matte finish. This is summer. You want something matte. You don't want to be oily. You don't want to be greasy at the end of the day. So this is about it. And for my lips, I'm just going to use something neutral for the purpose of this video, but I'm going to switch it up later because of my outfit, alright? So I'm using a lip gloss by Estee Lauder. You know, your lips, your face will be dry, you know, not dry, your face will be matte. So you want your lips to be glossy, you know, to bring in that sexiness, that's luscious lips.
Spells on the beat. Tiwa Savage on this one, yeah.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah.
you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. Let me know your thoughts about this video, okay? Leave me comments in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.